Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and this here is the Perfecto Shaving Lathering Brush. And this thing 100% badger fur. And to be honest, this thing is super soft, but yet very durable, and you're gonna get that perfect lather. And this actually feels really nice on the face. So when you are using your shaving cream of your choice, you're gonna get that nice lather with this brush. And when you're done, you can actually rinse this brush, clean it, and then hang it to dry. Now, it's important to hang it upside down to dry. You never want to have it upright. You need to lay it on its side, or if you have one of the shaving brush stands, you can go ahead and hang it to dry this way. And then this can keep its form and its shape over time. Really, overall, the fur doesn't come out. The bristles do not come out by pulling them, so it's well made. And it's in this nice black plastic here. Very nice grip here with this little notch here so we can hold it. And again, you're going to get a nice lather using this badger fur. So definitely check it out. Check out Perfecto Shaving Brush. Shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.